Hello, this is Mr. Jones. I'm going to talk to you today about the coordinate plane. A coordinate plane is formed by the intersection of two number lines. The horizontal number line, right there, is called the x-axis, and the vertical line is called the y-axis. So you have y and you have x, and they intersect at what we call the origin. So the intersection is called the origin. And it has an ordered pair of 0, 0. We'll talk more about ordered pairs in just a second. Now, when we have this intersection, it creates four quadrants, four different areas, and those are labeled as quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. If you're ever asked which quadrant an ordered pair lies in, please use the Roman numerals. That's how we designate it in math, is by using the Roman numerals. Again, quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. Most of the work that we will be doing this year is going to be in quadrant 1, but there are going to be times that we use all four quadrants. But for a lot of our problems, we're just going to use quadrant 1. Earlier I had mentioned that the origin has an ordered pair of 0, 0. And an ordered pair gives the coordinates and location of a point. Let's take point 6, 2. And we'll label this point C. And this will give me the location of where point C is located on the coordinate plane. I simply start at the origin, and I'm going to count over 6 spaces and go up 2. So the first number always tell me how many spaces I move away from the y-axis. So in this case, this tells me on the x. So I'm going to count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm right there at 6. And this value, the second number, tells me how far I move up or down on the coordinate plane. So that gives me the y value. So here I'm moving up 2, 1, 2. So here is that ordered pair, 6, 2. Or I could just write the label point C. So I go over 6 and up 2. So you always start from the origin and use the x value, then the y value to tell you where the point is located. Now what about point B? I can actually find the ordered pair for a point. So point B would be over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I go over 8 and I go up 1, 2, 3. So the ordered pair for point B is 8, 3. What about point A? Now this time I'm going to the left where the negative numbers are. See the negative numbers? All right, so when I go over this way, I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. So that's negative 3. I went to the negative side, but I'm going up to on the positive side for the y number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'd write that as negative 3, 4. And that's where point A lies. So I can write ordered pairs for a point on a line, or if given an ordered pair, I can plot that point on the coordinate plane. And I might ask you, in what quadrant does quadrant A lie in? And since you know that it's quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4, you would say that point A lies in quadrant 2. I hope this helps. Thank you.